to fix, sorry, there was a problem with your request, Instagram login error. So for that, you need to simply open Instagram app, and here you need to enter username, email or phone number at first. Once you have entered the username, you shouldn't enter the password here. Simply tap on forget password link. Now enter the username, email or phone number. Now tap on continue button. After that, you need to enter the code that has been sent to your email. Here I can see that code has already been sent by Instagram. Copy this code and you need to paste on this page. And after that, tap on continue button. Here you will be given the list of your accounts. Simply choose your account on this page and now tap on continue. You need to create a new password. After that, simply tap on continue. Before that, you can tap on log out of other devices option as well. So now you can see that you have already changed the password, and if you want to save your login info here, you can tap on save and you are taken to your Instagram directly and you are signing on here. So in this way you can easily change your password and log in into the Instagram. So doing so this step, you can easily fix your Instagram login errors. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you found this video helpful, simply like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.